What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tierra Vio back again with another video for y'all, man. Like, subscribe, comment down below, share this channel with your people, man. I just want everybody to be successful, and yes, I truly believe we can all be successful, man. It's not always pretty, but if you stay consistent and if you stay disciplined, you will be successful, man. But anyway, man, welcome back to the channel. I know I went through all of that, but past 2 weeks, man, cryptocurrency been sliding down a bad tear, man. Bad tear. So I want to do some research, find out why it's been sliding down, and just so we could be aware of what's going on, right? So for one, I have two main reasons why I think it's been sliding down. One, because the economy is opening back up. Cryptocurrency, the attention focuses to cryptocurrency when something like the market is crashing, the world is being closed down because of a pandemic we were having, right? And people look for alternative investments that might become valuable that wasn't valuable before. Not that cryptocurrency is not valuable or is not going to be valuable in the future, but the attention becomes focused on it because everything that we known to work or that's supposed to work every day is not working no more. So we start scrambling and look for stuff. Oh yeah, that cryptocurrency stuff, and everybody go run to it and just buy it up, and it goes up and down. You want to have cryptocurrency in your portfolio regardless. Now, you don't want to have a lot because it's still an unsanctioned market. We still don't know how we're gonna actually control it, right? And because of that, that's why people are still wary about it, or banks don't want to use it and stuff like that. But being that countries around the world are starting to be open to it and they're using it as a form of currency, so I do believe it's still going to be important in the future. It's still going to be around. You should still invest, just don't invest a lot. And you know what I mean? Invest in more real assets and more real standalone assets you can physically touch instead of cryptocurrency, but you still want to invest, right? Now, one of the second controversial reasons why cryptocurrency market has felt like that, and I don't want to be political on the channel and stuff like that, but politics are involved in stocks, so we kind of have to talk about it whether we want to or not. So China, one of the biggest countries in the world that have one of the biggest populations, they have decided to ban crypto. Now, some people might say that's a bad omen for crypto. Now let's get out of crypto, because one of the biggest countries, one of the smartest people technically don't want to use crypto. Now, reason why I found out that China banned the use of crypto or don't want to be involved in crypto mining, because China believes that there's going to be like a world crash, right? Like money's going to fall through the bottom. Everything is going to crash. That's what China believes. Everything is going to crash, and they're trying to protect themselves, building a utopia, a little bubble around their country and around their people to make sure they are safe. Now, the worst thing about when you're saying everything is going to crash and you're preparing for it, the worst thing that can happen is the crash never come. And now what you were preparing for, right, of I'm not using this, I'm not using that, you secluded yourself from all of these advancements because you think all of that stuff gonna crash, but it didn't. It actually grew and became greater, and now you missed out on the opportunity. So now you're left way behind and you gotta play time playing catch up, right? So you don't want to do that, man. But anyway, China, like I said, they think it's gonna be a world crash going on, and they just want to keep their yen, which is the currency that they use. They want to keep that yen very solid. They don't want to attach the yen to anything else that's very volatile, because it's gonna bring down the yen value down, right? In their mind, they're probably thinking when everything crash, all the money crash, and all of this stuff happen, the yen is probably gonna be the most powerful thing left. That's what they're probably thinking, right? So sounds cool, sounds good, but until it actually happens, who knows, right? But I just thought it was interesting because China banned a lot of stuff, and I looked up a couple of stuff that China has banned before, and we're going to talk about how much of that stuff grown and how much is that stuff still around, right? So China banned Twitter. Since China has banned Twitter, Twitter has grown by 54%. China banned Pinterest. Since China has banned Pinterest, Pinterest has grown by 157%. China banned Facebook. You can't have a Facebook account in China. Facebook has grown by 967% since China has banned Facebook. China banned Google. Google has grown by 869% since China banned Google. China banned Netflix, and Netflix has grown 1,287% since China has banned it. Now, what that tells me is, yes, we understand the Chinese people are smart, and you know what I mean, they're very technology savvy and technology forward. They are. We can't take that away from them. But they don't know everything, man. They don't know everything. They're not the smartest kids on the block. They don't know everything, man. And I feel like it's one of those things like where they're doing so much to protect themselves, they're secluding themselves from everything else that's going on. And then when that doesn't happen and the world just keeps moving, they're going to be left behind trying to play catch up. That's just what I think, man. I don't want to get too much into it. Like I said, I don't want this to be political, but this just ties into why cryptocurrency fell down very hard. China was one of the biggest countries that people were mining cryptocurrency. So being that people are no longer mining or are not allowed to mine cryptocurrency no longer in China, so all of that cryptocurrency that was being mined, I have to move somewhere to a different country, to a different place. So temporarily, crypto is down because of this and all of these other cryptocurrencies. But again, like I said, man, if you're smart and you're a great investor, you do your research, these are the times to invest. When everybody's running one way, you need to be running the opposite way. So anybody saying, yo, it's a bad deal, don't do it. If you do enough research and you find the gems through all of the clutter, you invest, man. When everybody's saying, this is such a great company, we should all invest and run it up and this and that, whatever, it's probably not gonna happen. That's just how life works. You know what I mean? When everybody run one way, the smart people run the other way. You look for when the dust settle and you make great investments, man. But anyway, I love y'all. I just want everybody to be successful, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share this channel with your people, man. We will be all. I truly believe we can all be millionaires and trillionaires if we just stay consistent, do the research that's needed, and stay disciplined, man. I love y'all, man. I just want truly want to see all of us become successful. That's all I want to see, man. All of us become successful. I'm tired of people stressing out about money. Even I still stress out about money, honestly. And I'm tired of stressing out about money. So I found an avenue that can help me get to where I need to be, which is through stock market investing. So because I found that as a great opportunity, so I want to teach other people how to invest through the stock market so they can have a better outcome and, you know, more money, more cash to do what they need to do so they're less stressed, man. But anyway, man, I love you. I just want to see all of us succeed, man. Like, subscribe, comment down below, share the channel with your people. Catch me on the next one. I'm out.